When you don't tell the people them about the amount of people when Lorraine sent you to buy cake and Lorraine have to turn her back and pay them their money because you know deliver the cake.
Wow.
One time people them used to say one sweet and the goat and go run in belly.
Because I'm going to address you like the bad mind drunk that you is. Because you see what you do on social media, do? You is a friggin' troublemaker, you dirty Tina. You see all the time when people are
Wow.
you. Yeah? Little did we know that you are the troublemaker. Eh? Why you bad mind Lorraine first? Because Lorraine come out and say she have a big cake. Eh? All of a sudden, you're up in your feelings and you come.
Well on there. Yes, see there.
Girl, I never know say you did sign
Super chat up.
with Joe Biden that you must be the only Jamaican in America to sell cake. I never know that at all, dirty worrying girl. Me never know say you signed contract with Joe Biden where you are the only Jamaican in America was supposed to sell cake. Eh? And the glad say, oh, we the glad say, you pick me say, wicked girl, drunk her. You remember, say the day when the people them come out on social media and I drag your picnic. You remember, say, me and Lorraine come out and I take up for you. Eh? Dirty girl, me know who you was from 2018, you know, because I tell you, say, you mess with me in 2018 when I didn't even know you, you know, right? You ever see Lorraine come out on social media about over people, man, who are out there?
Wow.
Eh? Who are out there? You ever see Lorraine come out on social media about over people, man?
Wow, wow.
Lowest level, because you see right now, I'm going to come down to Tina Chin level and deal with Tina Chin on her level. And I don't want nobody tell me, say, don't go there or don't go
Thanks,
where.
Mary.
Allow me make me talk. Cocoa girl, come
Wow.
here. Cocoa girl, come here, dirty girl. Because I'm going to address you like the bad mind drunk that you is. Hey girl, who you think you are mock when you take the song with me do and try and I put it on your platform and I try mock me. Dirty girl, police don't mock your dirty hole already.
Wow.
You hear me tell you? You can't mock me, Tina Chin. You not the on the level for mock me. Wicked girl, drunk her. You remember, say the day when the people them come out on social media and I drag your picnic. You remember, say, me and Lorraine come out and I take up for you. Eh? Dirty girl, me know who you was from 2018, you know, because I tell you, say, you mess with me in 2018 when I didn't even know you, you know.
Continue.
You ever see Lorraine come out on social media about over people, man, who are out there?
Wow.
Who are out there? You ever see Lorraine come out on social
Oh, she never ball for Baba. Okay. Oh, in the bedroom. Okay.
media about over people, married man, dirty girl? You have a track. You have a record on social media.
I true that. She have a track on her
You have
record.
a record on social media, you know, Tina Chin. Your memories that on social media, you know, Tina.
And Marisa, happy birthday. Miss Mills.
And then when them done, them dash you down like when them would have dashed the mattress at Riverton down.
Annette,
Eh?
big up yourself.
You can't
She
talk
said
to
happy
Lorraine. You
birthday,
can't come to
Matla.
Lorraine because the girl says she want to be a kid. Who is you? Eh? When you don't tell the people them about the amount of people when Lorraine sent you to buy cake and Lorraine have to turn her back and pay them their money because you know deliver the cake.
Wow.
Eh? Hey, dirty girl, let me tell you something.
And a long time I thought them things are over here, so how long? Say she a good business woman. And a long time. After we run her from over here, she run go over there for sell cake. You're a good business woman. You take people money and I send out the product.
You don't know who you are messing with. I said, dirty girl, we make Better Business Bureau shut down your what's in that business, you know.
Wow.
Don't come for Lorraine. You hear me tell you?
The letters are going to be out.
The internet, man,
The letters are going to be out. The letters are going to be out. Who could write the best? Win.
Now watch it that night of fast with people. And
Johnny's Miller on YouTube, so happy birthday, Matlock. Big up yourself, Johnny's Miller.
He gonna go on like say people so frightened for you. You're a dirty drunk, you're a bad mind bitch. You Tina Chin.
Wow. But I have to wait for hear the name call.
Who is you dirty orange girl? Eh? Why you don't tell the people them about the amount of people when Lorraine sent you to buy cake and Lorraine have to turn around back and pay them their money because you know deliver the cake. Eh? Hey, dirty girl, let me tell you something. You don't know who you are messing. Me say, dirty girl, we make Better Business Bureau shut down your what's it not business, you know. Don't come for Lorraine. You hear me tell you? You sit down on the internet morning, noon and watch it at night and fast with people and a dig and a go on like say people so
No, she fast with Uno. Like she do my co-worker.
You Tina Chin. You cold drunk or
wow.
You a bad mind bitch. From Lorraine come out and say she gonna start sell cake. You're up in your feelings. Eh? When did it come to this? Why did it come to this? The same one. Yeah, because I tell you, I have from 2018 now, because I know say you was a dirty drunk, you know.
Wow.
I used to see your footprint all over social media, you know. But you see the day when you did try step to me on the next platform, and a Lorraine platform me come see Lorraine and defend you. Until me say let bygones be bygones and even me start defend you. Even from my page, I start defend you, dirty girl. Where you left all the childhood with? Eh?
Jaja.
You come talk.
Pregnancy.
You come go on, I come talk about say, who no go school and dirty girls, tell the people them where you left all the childhood with.
Belly.
Tell them where you left all the childhood with, coke out war. Because if you did left school with anything good, you wouldn't have become a friggin' drug mule.
Wow.
You would not have to become a drug mule, Tina.
No people, a party and a festive.
Tell the people them where you left school with. Who the hell you think you is?
Nobody.
Eh? Lorraine want to fire for you.
Have some
Fire
tough.
for you, Tina Chin. You see you's a bad mind, dirty bitch. That's why you pick with them not like you. Because you're bad mind, you're wicked.
What
These
hear
are the
Michelle
things you do to people. And then when you're done, you come out complete.
But let me tell you something. I'm never telling you none at all. And even though this one, I still not come out and disrespect her same way. They go rob TR0VBL for TV because she said I don't see her page. And TR0VBL for TV, I call the speaker of the house drunker. I highly respect the speaker of the house. So I go there and I say, don't say TR0VBL for TV, go away. And I don't tell bush and make something there.
Them have recording about too.
Over Tina page.
Very man.
But let me say something this again.
Very man.
Again, Michelle cannot tell me how to think, where to go, how to go, what to do. So Michelle cannot fill up my head and nothing. So if you don't have that belief, please delete it now.
Oh, Nana.
You can't step to me, Tina. You're
Same
not
for
smart
Miss
enough.
Stephenson.
You're not intelligent enough. Same way
Ada.
the TV is you. But say it now. So make sure Monday morning you call your lawyer and you get the paper them and you carry the go through. Because I'm not saying it's my opinion anymore. Me, Michelle Bradshaw, but the same way so TV is owned by Tina Juice.
Oh, that me say from start.
For Tina, you know, when some couple years well now. Then, me say people are drag her through social media. And she never want to them. Why are you on speaker? She act the two now. And even the little frog over so.
Frog under your mother.
Let me put this out there. And let me tell her, you see, you have
Baba
to be
the only
careful.
batty man.
So, you know, me, my fault again. I learn where I go on, you know. I learned where I go on. I know where it come from. I know the call that was made to Jamaica and they set up. And when they set me up for me course. So then get commander says, so no fly come America. But remember when you not come sue me. For me
Yeah, that one
saying,
here now. That mad
on a
yeah.
killer pitney. Remember it was my shoulder.
That mad one
when
yeah.
the internet put it out there on a ball pan and confess.
Boy.
So make sure. When you not
come to that last suit, the Andre pick up one.
So, when I remember the shoulder on a confess pan.
I never know how you go to our 18.
Lawsuit I get them nervous, them see say it real.
Can't mash up. And the speaker have spoken.
Why may I listen?
What we have to do more than listen, we can't say nothing because I say, but I must to tell you, me know say T-Drunker, but T-Drunker, if I me like him, would I take a vacation off of the internet because the speaker here not playing.
The speaker do our bad, you know?
Oh,
the
God.
speaker do our bad. Go and talk, them I hear you.
The speaker go on to, hey, me say, me no get up to go look if my dirty girl from the boat yet, you know, because I want to think of my dirty girl from the speaker come just take up because when me notice that the speaker bad, you know, the speaker walk up on anything, you know, original bad girl, you know. But Ashanti, the BB sitting where the speaker, they say she a call for adapt the speaker, adapt in the LLC, and then the speaker can spoke to, you know. She not only can write, you know, the speaker can both spoke and write because guess what? Tina leave only childhood for God take wood and the speaker stay in only childhood.
Okay.
So that's a big difference between the speaker and Tina. Tina can only speak it, you know, can't read and write.
So,
Ashanti.
You see what the speaker say about the cake? Because you know, so me I go talk the truth. I don't take up for nobody, but me is truthful. I don't know if Lorraine refund nobody their money, but me know Lorraine did bake. I know people we get Lorraine cake where...
it's on 13. I don't believe that one then. She probably will send them a cake, but I don't think she give them no back no money, but go and talk.
A cake, a good amount of cake. Good amount of cake. So Lorraine party no make the money last year in the cake business. And Lorraine bake cake for two because I know people tell themselves Lorraine.
But let me ask you something. Last year she did a bake when Jennifer Barron do the review and she did beg her to take it out. But after them cake they never good. Oh, she, you know what, make my mind my business. Because me and Jennifer they do a review and she did beg her to not put it up. But make my mind my business. Go and talk.
No, why she never did that gear?
Why she never did thing then, she never want Tina, they know say she a bake because they know say Tina bad mind. This that's why I tell say Lorraine is a hypocrite. Lorraine a plain like Michelle who is a plain Paco. Lorraine never want nobody know say she a bake, but she a bake for true.
But oh yeah, bake and still have nobody. Them a fool, you know.
Then that's why now the speaker mean to say
People them say Lorraine cake flux like her body, but go and talk, me I listen, you not hear me.
Yeah, so
that's
say. What caused the bang around. But me I tell you, say, I am so happy how the speaker come out and put dirty Tina right in her space. Tina, you're too enough.
If she
you're too enough. All I want to know, no like no one another. Tina, you know you're 6 to me, and not Mr. Sweet me, you see?
Me too. You know